Morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to start with your next exercise, that is 8.4. In this exercise, we are going to use whatever we have done in previous exercises as well as the identity also we are going to learn. So, class, talking about the identity, first is this is a formula for u sine square theta cos square theta equals to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Next is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Next is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So class, these are three formulas for you to learn. Now the proof of first class, let us consider this triangle ABC in which angle C is theta, and so if this is theta, as I've already told you, this will be the perpendicular angle 90 in front of it, this is the hypotenuse. So we can say that AC is the hypotenuse, so AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Now what we did, we have divided the equation by AC square and AC square. Then what you will get, here the AC square and AC square will be cancelled and it will become 1. Here it will become AB upon AC whole square and this will be BC upon AC whole square. Now if you see this AB and if you see this AC, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. AB and AC. AB and AC. This is, they have written here, sine theta, and no need to write here as they have written, but now BC, if you talk about BC and AC, that is base upon hypotenuse, it's a cos theta. So finally we have deduced that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Similarly, we can go for others also, other questions also, other proofs also. Now class, uh, proof of first one by another method. If you put theta as 0 and theta is 0, then what is the answer coming? Cos 0 we know 1, sin 0 is 0, so 1 square plus 0 square is equals to 1 and 1. Similarly, if you put theta is equals to 90, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, so again 0 square plus 1 square, that's equals to 1 and the 1. That's it class. So these are two proofs. One is this one using Pythagoras theorem and another is by substituting any angle. It is not compulsory to add 0 and 90 only. If you will go with 30 degree, if you will put in place of theta 30 and 30, the answer will come 1 only. 1 is equals to 1. Now class, in exercise, first question is written that we have to express sine in terms of cot. So class, there is no direct relation between sine and cot. So what you will do, first of all you will see, if you will see the previous formulas, you will see that sine has a relation with cosec and cosec has a relation with cot. That's the new formula. See here, cosec has a relation with cot. So in this way I have solved. So class, first of all, sine has a relation with cosec and cosec has a relation with cot. In the same way, The second one, sec does not have any direct relation with cot. So first of all, sec has a relation with tan. New identity, that is sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. And after that I have found the I have deduced the sec theta from here. So sec a is equals to root of removing the square, and here it will come a root. After that, tan is a reciprocal of cot. Now after that it I have just solved it. Till here you can write the answer. After that LCM and all I have taken. Now tan we have to write in respect of cot, that's a direct relation. Tan is reciprocal of the cot. So class, in this question what we have done sine, sec and tan in respect of cot. Similarly the second question is there, you try that question. If you will not get, this is the solution I am sending you. You try but by your own method. You can see the solution, this is the solution, and you can do that. Now next question, we have to evaluate this, we have to find the value of this. Now class, in this you will use the concept of third exercise, that you will make same these two angles. See, sum of these two angle is 90, so this can be reduced to 63 or this can be reduced to 27 by using complementary formulas. Same with the down one also, these two sum is 90, so we can reduce. So you see the solution, what they have done, 63 they have converted into 90 minus 27, that is cos 27. 73, 17 can be written as 90 minus 73, that is sine 73. Now finally we have got this and this. So you can see 27 27 as angle, and sine square theta plus cos square theta means if the angle is same then it is 1. Now down also you can see the angles are same, so it is also 1. So 1 upon 1, that's 1. So which formula they have used? This formula they have used. Angle should be same, A and A. Here you can see 27 and 27. So sine square theta, sine square 27 plus cos square 27 is equals to 1. Sine square 73 and cos square 73 is equals to 1. Now the second part of the question. In this also you can see this is 25, 65, 90, 25, 65, 90. So here also what we will do, we will convert this 65 to 25, this 65 to 25. So on converting it become cos 65 will become sin 25, sin 65 will become cos 25. Now it is sin square theta again, this is cos square theta again, same angle, so it's equals to 1. Now next question. Next question is the correct, take the correct option. In this, which answer should come we have to tell. So class, we have relation between tan and sec, that is 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. So there are many methods to solve this. What I will do, I will place in place of tan theta, in place of sec theta, I will write 1 plus tan square theta. So when I will do this, it will become 9 within bracket 1 plus tan square theta, tan square A minus 9 tan square A. Now when you will open this bracket, it will become 9 plus 9 tan square A and minus tan square A. So this and this will be cancelled and 9 will be the answer. And another method is taking 9 as common, taking 9 as common. And in place of sec, if you will write 1 plus 10 square, then 10 square and 10 square will cancel, only 1 will remain. So they have written 1 here directly after solving it. Or you can say that if 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a, it means 1 is equals to sec square a minus 10 square a. Directly also you can use the formula. So directly they have used. Any way you want to do, it's your wish. Now next part is this is given and we have to find out of these value which will be the answer. So class, if as in previous question there was direct formula, or you can say there was the direct relation between sec and tan, but here you can see that there is no relation between the, see, cot is there, cosec is there, tan is there, sec is there. So whenever this type of question will come, you will convert into sine and cos. Tan you can write sine upon cos, sec you can write 1 upon cos, cot you can write cos upon sine, and cosec you can write 1 upon sine. Now on substituting, you can see that they have done the same. After taking the LCM, this is the result. After that, this is taken as 1 a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square formula is used, and finally on expanding it, on expanding, this is the whole square, this, sorry, uh, this is the whole square formula. So whole square formula is expanded, and now we have again we have sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equals to 1, and this was minus 1 left, and this minus 1 and this will cancel, so this will remain, this will get remain, and in this also you can see that this and this is cancelled, so answer is 2. So C is the correct option. So in this C is the correct option. Class, very attentively you have to see this video and you have to solve it, because this is the very important exercise and little bit different from what you have done till now in mathematics. You can say that all the concept has come together to solve this question. Now here also, third part also, you can see that there is no direct relation. So sec you write 1 upon cos, tan you write sine upon cos. After that you will have the relation. See what's the relation? A plus b, as they have written this and this. After that you can see that 1 plus sine and 1 minus sine, that is this 1 minus sine square a, and 1 minus sine square a is the equals to cos square a from new identity, because we know sine square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So on rearranging we will get this formula also. Finally cos and cos will be cancelled, answer is cos. Now this last one option, there are many ways to do this question. We can directly use the identity. My method is, what I will do, in place of this I will write sec square a. In place of 1 plus cot square a I will write cosec square a. Now sec square a can be written as 1 upon cos square a, and sin 1 upon cosec square can be written as 1 upon sine square a, because we know sec is the reciprocal of cos and cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Now rearrange sine here and cos here, you will get sine a sine square a upon cos square a, that's equals to tan square a. Now see their method also, book method. What is done? In place of tan A written sine upon cos. In place of cot, it is written cos upon sine. So it is in square, so it is written square. Now taking LCM above, this sine square A and cos square A, this is equals to 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Now the same answer is coming as I have told you already. Now this will be rearranged. After rearranging, sine square A upon cos square A will come, that's equals to 10 square A. So that's all class. This is the way you are going to do. Only till question number 4 you have to attempt, and wherever you will face the problem, you ask me.